Flash floods devastate Dubai. What caused chaos under torrential rain? Dubai, renowned for its spectacular skyline and desert climate, was caught off guard by a series of flash floods that plunged the city into chaos. What would normally be an occasional rain turned into a destructive deluge, flooding streets, homes, and severely disrupting the daily lives of its residents. Before we continue, I invite you to subscribe to the page, give it a like, and share it. Remember to activate the notification bell to stay tuned for new content. According to preliminary investigations conducted by local authorities, the main cause of the floods was an unusual weather phenomenon that brought intense rain in a short period of time. Although Dubai is accustomed to sporadic rains during its winter season, this storm was exceptionally intense and exceeded the city's drainage capacity. Shocking images showed streets turned into rivers, vehicles swept away by the current, and residents trapped in their flooded homes. Emergency services worked tirelessly to rescue trapped individuals and provide assistance to those affected by the floods. While Dubai has invested in drainage infrastructure to cope with occasional rains, the magnitude of this storm demonstrated that there are still challenges to overcome in terms of preparedness for extreme weather events. Local authorities are reviewing emergency protocols and considering additional measures to mitigate the impact of future floods. This unprecedented event in Dubai reminds us of the unpredictable force of nature and the importance of being prepared for any eventuality, even in the driest regions of the planet. Despite the devastation caused by the floods, the city of Dubai once again demonstrated its resilience and ability to recover from challenges. Reconstruction efforts are underway, and the city is expected to recover and return to its usual splendor in no time. However, this event serves as a reminder of the importance of preparedness for extreme weather events everywhere in the world.